Ash, you ready for the Intense 5? Let's see what made the cut. The impeachment trial for President Trump has begun. I wonder what the outcome will be.
Riri has asked friends and family for forgiveness. Apparently, she said she had an overwhelming year and feels she lost her sense of balance and hasn't reached out to everyone as she usually would. But she promises she'll be back on track.
Was Cardi throwing words at Nicki in her last IG post? Maybe she wants to reconcile and be friends, but I don't see Nicki apologizing to Cardi at all.
She don't need to apologize to her. Like, Cardi can just load it. Just load it, man, Cardi. You're better than that, girl. Yes, I have a side.
Wow.
That new soca song, you know the one that I'm talking about. The one that's probably going to be the biggest hit, and it already has a dance. Ah boy, you can do the dance?
No, Ash, you know better.
Yeah?
No. And finally holding the spot this week. Shaggy clears the air after that Gleaner story came out. No funds were misappropriated and all the money is still there. I feel bad for him because it came out right as he was getting ready to do The Little Mermaid, but I'm happy that he cleared everything up though.